Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share something exciting with you all today. For the past couple of years, I've been documenting my life in these little A6 journals that I like to call my lovely journals. I treat these as my catch-all journal where everything gets documented. I art journal, junk journal, and memory keep in these. They start off small, but get super chunky once they're filled. I've amassed a large collection of them now, and a few of them are super special to me. They're the ones that I like to call my snippet journals. These are the journals with the beautifully intricate patchwork covers that I make out of scrap pieces of fabric, lace, and trim. Well, on June 3rd, I'll be hosting my very first in-person workshop of the Snippet Journal class. I've paired up with Recess Grove, my favorite art cafe here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, to hold a 2.5-hour workshop. In this live class, you will create a one-of-a-kind, pocket-sized fabric journal using different textile scraps and assorted papers. I'll walk you through creating your collaged cover, assembling your signatures, and binding it all together to finish your very special snippet journal. So if you're local to New York City, I'd love to have you. You can find all of the info in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see some of you soon. Bye, friends.